We also got to talk about Children's Place this morning, too. Shares of Children's Place taking a hit after the retailer cuts its fourth quarter outlook, with expectations of reporting a loss per share amid a deterioration in its gross margin, citing a challenging macro environment here. There you're taking a look at some of the metrics as well that they had come out with. But this was an interesting one to really hear about, especially for the children's specialty apparel retailer here. And I think they had also mentioned within this, as a result of the challenging environment, higher input costs, decade-high cotton costs, which that caught your attention as well, Sozzi, as well as some other supply chain costs. That's what led them to update the street on what they're expecting here and the negatively impacted short-term margins as well.
Yeah, this isn't, I wouldn't say, a CEO operational issue. Jane Elfer's longtime CEO at Children's Place. She's really great. I mean, she's done a phenomenal job rejuvenating that brand. But if you take a step back and just overall look at what Children's Place is, it is a brand in a mall that is seeing challenging traffic, the mall itself, that focuses on middle America during an inflationary time. And this is, I think, this customer base went to a Target, they went to a Marshalls, they've gone to a Walmart the past 6 months to save money, and Children's Place has been impacted, and it is unclear when that turn in the business, when things might start to improve.
And P.S., the kids' apparel at the likes of a Target is good stuff.
Not bad.
They have that Janie and Jack brand. They have some other strong kids' clothing. So, you know, I found myself wondering as they were talking about spiking cotton prices. I mean, you know, a lot of clothing is not made from cotton anymore. But I wonder if the mix in children's clothing still skews more cotton. I don't know if that is the case or not. But I don't know if I think it's already the majority of clothing that is purchased in the U.S. is petroleum-based, if I'm not mistaken.
Interesting. There's also such a dynamic shift in how much children's clothing is being pushed, or not pushed, purchased, because I think more parents have come around to the secondhand, some of the different opportunities on the market to just say, okay, yeah, I will go into either a secondhand platform that says, because my kids are just going to grow out of this so quick, then what's the point of purchasing it and then holding it? Or you just have family members where you just create your own little network of these things.
All about it.
Yes.
All about it. But I do, but you got to supplement sometimes
get some
with
good
the new
stuff
as well. And you can't. I was going to say you can't do secondhand shoes, but I have done hand-me-down shoes.
Hashtag mom hacks. Mom hacks.
True.
Yes, exactly.